Alright, this egg right here is actually hatching right in front of us. I'm going to try to zoom in on it. See it? Its sister hatched less than 12 hours ago. Like 6 hours, 12 hours ago. Sister, brother, whatever the hell it is. Mom is a little scared, so she's trying to guard it. Let me see if I can see it. Now she's on top of it. Move, Mama. Come here.
Punch it.
I won't punch it. There's the baby that hatched last night. This is what a 12-hour-old cockatiel looks like.
He's looking for a mama to get warm.
And the other baby's hatching out of that egg right now. Come on, you can do it. Look at him crawl around. Crack's getting bigger.
Put the baby next to mom so she can get good.
Oh, Daddy's watching it. He'll get on it in a second. Watch.
Maybe you should.
I'll back up so you can see Daddy and Mama. This is Mama over here. Her name is Stay Puff. And that's Daddy. His name is Grumpy. Because he's grumpy. And she's poopy. And the egg just gets a little more crack in it every few seconds. Kind of like contractions. Oh, look at how big that crack's getting. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh, there it goes. Here it goes. I see a foot. Oh, I see a foot. Oh, it's so cute. Because I got a hat stuck on my head. Oh, I think I see a crop. Nope, that's the belly. His head's under the cap. Look at Daddy looking at him. Daddy sees the baby. Oh, he's looking at the baby. And he's looking at you. I said, get away from my brother.
Who are you? Did you touch my baby?
Oh, it's almost out. The baby's trying to crawl under Daddy. The other baby. No, it looks like a little dinosaur.
Just get the shell off its head.
Oh, look at it. You can kind of see the umbilical cord where it's attached, that gray line. That's where it's attached to the yolk, which is what feeds the bird while it's in the egg. And they actually sit here and feed these babies. Within a couple hours, that baby will be dry and will have puffy feathers like the other one.
That's amazing.
Alright, we're going to let parents get it warm and dry so it doesn't get too cold.